Trying to sand tight corners, tricky edges, or detailed woodwork, and your regular sander just won't fit. Yeah, we've all been there. Today on Tools Query, we're breaking down the 10 best detail sanders you can buy right now. We're talking power, precision, dust collection, and price, so you walk away knowing exactly which one is right for you. Let's get into it. Number 1. Skill Corded Multifunction Detail. Sander, the Skill Corded Multifunction Detail. Sander kicks off our list as the best overall pick, and for good reason. It runs on a 1.2 ampere motor with variable speed control, giving you serious precision across different materials and surfaces. The microfiltration dust box keeps your workspace cleaner than most rivals in this range. What really sets it apart is the versatile attachment system. Swap heads to handle corners, flat surfaces, and everything in between. It's ergonomically designed so long sanding sessions don't wear out your hand. If you want the most well-rounded detail sander on this list, this is it. Next up is the Haichika Detail Sander, and this one is all about getting solid performance without spending a lot. It's a lightweight mouse-style sander with variable speed and a built-in dust collection box that actually does its job. Multiple sanding sheets are included right out of the box, so you're ready to go immediately. The compact body makes it easy to maneuver into tight spots, and the budget-friendly price means beginners won't feel like they're taking a big risk. It won't blow you away with raw power, but for the money, it's a genuinely capable little sander. A great first detail sander for DIYers. Coming in at number 3, the Skill Corded Detail Sander keeps things refreshingly simple. It's a fixed-speed, lightweight tool that focuses on doing one thing well, sanding with precision using its pointed detail pad. The dust box catches debris cleanly, and the affordable price makes it very easy to recommend. There's no variable speed dial here, which keeps the learning curve low for anyone who just wants to grab and go. It's ideal for light finishing work, furniture touch-ups, and general detail sanding without any fuss. If simplicity is your priority, this is your pick. Number 4. WEN 6301 Electric Detailing Palm Sander. The WEN 6301 Electric Detailing Palm Sander is the go-to if you want something functional at the lowest possible price. Its 1 ampere motor spins at 13,500 OPM, which is more than enough for basic finishing and detail work. The triangular pad handles corners well, and the dust port lets you hook up a vacuum for cleaner sanding. Don't expect premium bells and whistles here. There's no variable speed, and it's on the lighter side of the power spectrum. But for the price, WEN has delivered a proven, reliable little tool that gets the job done. The cheapest usable detail sander on our list, plain and simple. Halfway through our list, we have the standout, the Milwaukee M12 Fuel Orbital Detail Sander. This cordless powerhouse runs on Milwaukee's M12 brushless battery platform, giving you professional-grade performance without a cord getting in the way. Variable speed and excellent dust collection make this a joy to use on any job site or workshop. The brushless motor means longer runtime, less heat, and more durability over time, things that matter when you're working professionally. Yes, it's the most expensive pick here, but if you're already in the M12 ecosystem, it's an absolute no-brainer. The best premium cordless detail sander, hands down. Number 6. Black Decker Detail Sander. The Black Decker Detail Sander, model BDEMS 600, is one of the most recognizable names in this space, and it earns its spot. The iconic mouse design with a 3-position handle makes it incredibly comfortable to hold from any angle. Its special finger attachment lets you reach into narrow grooves that most other sanders simply can't touch. It's built with furniture refinishing and tight corner work in mind, making it a fan favorite for home improvement projects. Dust collection is integrated and works well for a corded tool at this price. If corner detail is your main concern, Black Decker nailed this one. Number 7. Craftsman Detail Sander. The Craftsman Detail Sander, model CMEW210, brings that classic Craftsman reliability to the detail sanding world. It comes with sandpaper and attachments included, so there's no extra shopping before your first project. The dust collection system keeps things tidy, and the build quality feels solid for the price. It's not the flashiest tool on this list, but Craftsman's track record speaks for itself with DIYers and weekend warriors. If you want a dependable name-brand sander that handles everyday tasks without drama, this delivers. A solid mainstream pick for home workshops. Number 8. Dovaman 130-watt Detail Sander. The Dovaman 130-watt Detail Sander is a bit of a dark horse. A budget tool with a surprisingly high-speed output. At 130 watt and 12,000 OPM, it moves faster than several pricier options on this list. The compact ergonomic form keeps it comfortable to use, and sanding sheets are bundled in. It's straightforward, no fancy variable speed dial, but if you need to remove material quickly on a budget, this gets the job done faster than you'd expect. The dustbox handles clean up decently for a tool at this price. Best budget pick if speed is your top priority. Number 9. DecaPro Multifunction Mouse Sander. The DecaPro Multifunction Mouse Sander punches above its price tag by offering variable speed and multiple accessory heads, a combo that's rare at this budget level. It handles a range of tasks from flat sanding to tight corner work, thanks to its interchangeable attachments. The dust collection system keeps the mess manageable. If you like the idea of a versatile kit but can't stretch the budget for the skill at number 1, this is the closest you'll get for less money. It won't feel quite as premium in hand, but the functionality is genuinely there. The cheapest multi-function option worth considering. Closing out our list is the WorkPro Detail Sander, and it ends things on a powerful note. With 180 watt of motor output, it's the highest wattage budget pick on this entire list, and that extra power is noticeable when sanding tougher surfaces. Variable speed control and an included set of sanding sheets round out a very complete package. The dust collection box does a respectable job, and the build feels sturdy enough for regular use. If you want the most raw power for the least money, WorkPro makes a strong case right here. The most powerful corded budget sander on our list. So there you have it, the 10 best detail sanders for 2026. If you want the best overall, go with the Skill Multifunction. On a tight budget, the Hichika is hard to beat. Check the links in the description to grab the one that fits you best. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Which sander caught your eye? Drop it in the comments, I'd love to know.